मैं हूँ गेलिन and this is Myntra Fashion Superstar at MTV powered by H&M, India's biggest and only platform for fashion influencers. आज का दिन बहुत एक्साइटिंग होने वाला है क्योंकि आज इनफैक्ट अभी से हमारे top 10 influencers are going to get into slay mode. That's right. I'm ready. Now let's find out if our influencers are ready.
This is exciting. I'm honestly shocked because last week there were 18 of us and today it's 10 of us and the pressure is definitely on.
Shake the stress away cause we about to put on a show.
मुझे और अपने कंपटीशन ने क्या पहना है और क्या नहीं पहना है वो देखने मिला. Some choices were clearly choices and some were fashionable.
What's up? How are you guys doing?
Very good.
सबसे पहले तो big congratulations top 10 influencers. Let's begin by calling the queen of social media, very cute, your mentor, Malika Dua.
कैसे हैं सब?
बहुत
बढ़िया.
पूरे भारत से क्यूट नमूने आए हैं, वेल ड्रेस्ड, वेरी स्टाइलिश, वेरी सैसी, फुल ऑफ सोशल मीडिया मोजो एंड आई जस्ट कांट वेट टू सी आप लोग क्या धमाके करते हो. हद ही हो जानी चाहिए. दोस्ती हो गई सब में?
Friendships थोड़ा bubbling.
हाँ, गैंग्स बन गए हैं. लाइक पॉलिटिक्स चल रही. मैडम कौन लगता है अपना कंपेटिटर?
बहुत ही अनश्योर है बिकॉज सबकी पर्सनालिटी बहुत डेवलप होने वाली है अभी. सो आई डोंट नो येट.
परम के इस आंसर के लिए उन्हें अवार्ड नहीं क्राउन मिलना चाहिए.
मार्क,
Hi.
who do you think could be your competition?
Well, वो थोड़े दूर हैं मेरे से और बहुत ऊंचे हैं मेरे से.
The other MM.
The other MM.
Ah,
That's the only competition I have.
नीलाक्षी.
हाँ जी.
फिर किसके साथ तुम्हारे वो हो रहे हैं वाइब्स?
मुझे लगता नहीं है, मतलब क्लियरली मेरी टक्कर का तो है ही नहीं कोई, तो फिर
वाह.
ये एटीट्यूड सही है.
Confidence.
I just love everyone के outfits. मैं परम के जूते स्टील कर लूँगी इसके बाद. But moving on.
Yes, guys, moving on. It's time to get serious. अब आपको हर हफ्ते हम अलग-अलग challenges देंगे across fashion and social media. Now, if you manage to impress our mentors, your judges, it's all good. लेकिन अगर आप हमारे जजेस को इम्प्रेस नहीं कर पाए, then unfortunately that could be the end of your journey right here on Myntra Fashion Superstar.
अब तो आपको पता चल गया है कि स्टेक्स काफी हाई है, हद हो चुकी है. We have to take this seriously. तुम्हें रोज कुछ नया करना है, खुद को एंटरटेन रखना है, औरों को एंटरटेन रखना है, at the same time authentic रहना है, substance होना चाहिए. If I had to just put it in one line, sum it up, I'd say it's very important to speak your mind. अपना माइंड बोलना है, गर्व से बोलना है, और ये समझाने के लिए एक बहुत ही स्पेशल इंसान का आपके लिए एक मैसेज है. Nothing much, just she's just the most beautiful woman in the universe. So like I think you should just hear what she has to say.
Hi guys. Wow. Top 10. यहाँ तक तो पहुँच गए. अब आगे क्या? This is a big platform and even bigger responsibility. So आज fearlessly go ahead and create content that you believe in. एक ऐसी बात that has the power to #change conversation. All the best. Go kick some dash.
Amazing.
Feel nice?
और right, guys, this is exactly what our judges want from you in this very first challenge. They want you to speak your mind. Subject आप कोई भी pick कर सकते हो. Something that you feel strongly about, something that's personal to you. जिसके around का conversation आप change करना चाहते हो.
एक इन्फ्लुएंसर को भी ना हिम्मत चाहिए अपना कोई पर्सनल, प्राइवेट ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने के लिए.
This is a pretty intense topic, and I think it's going to definitely make us stand out as individuals to see what we stand for. That's going to be really interesting.
This first challenge is going to be a video post challenge. आपका वीडियो पोस्ट 45 seconds से ज़्यादा exceed नहीं हो सकता.
45 seconds is very short time to explain something very huge, but it's a challenge. I'm very excited.
Now you will be judged on these 3 parameters. आपका फैशन और स्टाइल एस्थेटिक कितने ऑन पॉइंट पर है, आपकी फिल्म कितनी थॉट प्रोवोकिंग है और आपका मैसेज कितना क्लियरली कम्युनिकेट हुआ है. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस हमारे जजेस, आपके मेंटर्स, ये डिसाइड करेंगे who will go ahead and who will get knocked out. आइडिएशन से लेकर एंड प्रोडक्ट डिलीवर करने तक आपके पास सिर्फ और सिर्फ 1 घंटा है.
We realize ये easy नहीं होने वाला है. Conceptualizing, editing, filming सारा 1 घंटे में.
Once your time is up, you will have to stop and upload your post on Myntra Studio, which is a platform that's created by Myntra for social media influencers like you. The fashion war has already begun.
Say you all that your time starts now.
मुझे तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा डर लग रहा है क्योंकि 1 घंटे में मतलब क्या ही होता है.
I don't know what other guys are planning to do, but I am going to make my content kick ass and I cannot wait to get started on it.
I am very close to this topic which is related to HIV and HIV protection. मैंने अपना रिसर्च शुरू कर दिया पहले कि क्या पॉइंट्स हो सकते हैं जो लोगों को इंस्पायर करें.
इतने सारे हमारे पास आउटफिट ऑप्शंस है. बिल्कुल मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हो गई थी सब कुछ देख के.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Param. All geared up, all excited. बताओ क्या चल रहा है? What are you doing?
मैं ये टी-शर्ट देख रहा था H&M की.
Okay.
मुझे क्योंकि कलर बहुत स्ट्राइकिंग है.
Just like your personality.
It's such a comfortable color and the fabric is really nice.
All the best.
Yes.
क्या सीन है?
नर्वसनेस हो रही है बट अपने टॉपिक को लेके मैं कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ. इट्स अबाउट जेंडर पे गैप.
जॉब की है?
अभी कुछ शुरू करी है.
ये ज़रूरी है कि जो भी आप एक बात कर रहे हो ना, उसका दर्द आपने कहीं ना कहीं एक्सपीरियंस किया हो, खास करके तब जब आप एक ऑडियंस बिल्ड कर रहे हो.
मुझे ये बताना है कि मैंने देखा यहाँ पे सब लोगों का अलग अलग कैरेक्टर है, बट मैंने एक चीज़ नोटिस करी है, सबकी अपनी प्रॉब्लम है. मैम मैं मस्त हूँ, आप बताओ मैं क्या दुख उठाऊँ? मस्त बंदी हूँ अपने.
मज़ा आता है ना जब दिल्ली में रात को 4 बजे हम कहीं भी जा सकते हैं. अच्छा लगता है ना, वो इंडिपेंडेंस है ना हमारे पास, दिल्ली की लड़कियों के पास कहीं भी घूमने की, है ना? आज़ादी है ना तेरे पास, कहीं भी जाओ, कुछ भी पहनो. किसकी प्रॉब्लम है ये? थिंक अबाउट दिस.
भाई जो मेरी के अंदर से मेरे आंसू निकल ही गए थे बिल्कुल. मैं बैठी हूँ कि भाई मैं क्या करूँ अब, बट फिर मैंने बोला यार अस्मिता अब ये ठान लिया है तो कुछ ना कुछ तो सोचना ही पड़ेगा.
जो हमारे 1.3 मिलियन वाले भाई साहब हैं, उनमें तो बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस था बिफोर वी डू दिस एंटायर चैलेंज. लेकिन जब कॉन्सेप्चुलाइज करने की बारी आई तो भाई साहब हो गए फ्लॉप. ही स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग एवरीबॉडी.
स्टार्टिंग के काफ़ी ज़्यादा टाइम तो यही चला गया था कि भाई कौन से टॉपिक पे बनाना है, क्योंकि जो साला टॉपिक आता था दिमाग में उसकी कैसे एग्जीक्यूट करूं वो नहीं समझ आती थी। मेरे को लग रहा था यार मेरा जो कॉन्फिडेंस है ना, जो मेरा की फैक्टर है, वो कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं दिख रहा भाई।
मिंत्रा ने ये जो आपको प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है, that's just one of a kind. With Myntra Studio, you get an opportunity and a platform to jam and collaborate with like-minded people. In short, it's an influencer's dream come true. So make the most of it. All the best.
So I was thinking of having a conversation around periods because I think ये एक ऐसा conversation है, एक ऐसा topic है जिसके बारे में अभी भी हमारा society उतना open नहीं है. So I think this conversation needs to really change.
See, I agree that this needs to be spoken about, but I also have to say that the social media space is saturated with period awareness. Let's think about something else. I look at you as somebody who's kind of aware, who has her eyes and ears very open, you know. So I'm sure a person like you has enough experiences to talk about something other than this.
Okay. Definitely मुझे थोड़ा शॉक लगा because I'd almost zeroed in on this idea. मैंने outfits वगैरह सब सोच लिए थे, shorts वगैरह सब सोच लिए थे. So I was basically back to, being on the scratch.
तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि एक्टर और डायरेक्टर दोनों में एक साथ बन चुकी हूँ और ये सब 1 घंटे में करना है विथ इनकॉर्पोरेटिंग फैशन विथ इट, सो इट्स अ ह्यूज टास्क.
ठीक है चलो.
As much as I think I've got my ideas in place, it just feels like it's not. So now I've got to shoot bits and pieces of my edit together, and so I'm really hoping I don't forget anything because once I go into edit, there's going to be no turning back.
All right, buck up, guys. Come on, बहुत कम समय बचा है आपके पास. Make sure your captions are on point, your hashtags are in place. Five, 4, 3, 2, and upload. Guys, this is it. I hope that you managed to speak your mind and change the conversation.
Oh my God, I was in so much panic, but finally wrap up हुआ. अब सब कुछ judges के ऊपर है. जय माता दी.
All the best to our contestants and may they shine brighter than ever.
सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स ने मिंत्रा फैशन सुपरस्टार का पहला चैलेंज कर लिया है. Whether it has been a success or not, ये तो हम साथ में मिलके देखेंगे. But let me introduce you to Miss Mentor.
Oh.
तो अगर हमें कुछ पसंद नहीं आया ना आज, गेस किसकी गलती?
नहीं, उस तरह से मेंटोर नहीं किया तूने. जैसे पेरेंट्स दिशा देते हैं ना बच्चों को, फिर बच्चे अगर नालायक निकले तो फिर वो पेरेंट्स की गलती थोड़ी है.
Were there some bad ideas before you guided them to?
Bad? No, there are no bad ideas, but there were some cliches, I could say. There were things that are often seen.
आपके influencers की उम्र ही क्या है? They are the most influenced by cliché.
But you know what I love about the young mind is to know what is that thing that they will think of that we probably. So there's a mix of cliché mixed with something so phenomenally new and fresh. That is what excites me the most. It makes me feel younger.
I have a feeling that we'll see today.
Yeah.
Let's call our influencers.
चलो.
Ready? Oh wow!
All looking glam, huh?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Are you feeling the duk? Huh?
I'd like to remind you all that Myntra Fashion Superstar एक ही बनेगा. So the competition is on. And I hope you guys have upped your game.
All the best. Come on, let's start the show. Paramji, come on, take center stage.
परम, पहले तो ये आउटफिट बहुत अच्छा है.
Param, excited?
I'm super excited and I just want everyone to open their heart and watch the video.
Done. Let's watch the video. ये बात माइंड ब्लोइंग, आई लव इट। Wow.
Thank you.
I usually don't just jump off my seat and react, but I do when it deserves it. जो आपने दिखाया उसमें फीलिंग ही फीलिंग है, उसमें एक सेलिब्रेशन है. That's a very different perspective to it. I'm very, very proud of you. Very well done. Superb job.
I am an LGBT individual. मेरे दिल को तो ये वीडियो definitely छू गया. I was a fan.
I like that in your hashtags you've managed to put like pride-related hashtags. You put your rainbow hashtags, and it'll get people wondering, इसने कैसे किया ये? And that's always a good sign.
Yeah. What drama in the video, the bangle shot to, I mean, it seemed like for me, I was watching a film. So I absolutely loved it. 100 से भी ज़्यादा, like 1000 marks on 100 for you on this video.
We are all very proud of the fact that we follow you.
Thank you, thank you.
ये समझ में आ गया था कि ये बंदा है भाई, he is in the game. टक्कर तो देगा solid वाली.
एक और बहुत ही original combination of Indian and Italian. Are you ready, Danita? Come on.
It's a little nerve-wracking because with anxiety already existing within me, I hope that I just don't like kind of collapse halfway through.
Who could it be? Oh, my friend Anxiety is back in town. One moment I'm dancing and the next I'm drowning. It's like a ticking time bomb that I don't know when it's about to explode. It's my mental battle that occasionally gets to see the outdoors. It's me, battling the demons in my head, my heart and my stomach all at the same time. It's that friend that calls me when I'm busy, but can only hear back when Anxiety thinks it's okay. It's that queasy feeling that questions my next move, but protects me when I'm talking too loudly or too much. With Anxiety, what you see is not what you get.
Okay, tell me, I'm curious, those tabs that were opening, were they on purpose?
It was supposed to be like sort of like a virus in your computer where you want to watch a video but these things keep popping. So I wanted it to kind of translate like a sense of something that you don't want but it just keeps happening.
I like the idea of too many tabs open in the head, but I think visually it could have been a little more, how do I put it? It looked a bit dated to me.
I'm very happy that you stayed true to जो आपके लिए personally बहुत मायने रखता है. But finally you're putting this up to influence others. If we can't understand what you were trying to say, then it's time to change it. You can simplify it by showing the many moods of you that you have felt.
Danita, you're stunning. I love your smile, I love your sense of style, I love your sense of fashion. I missed it in the video.
सारे लोगों ने ना बड़े क्लीशे टॉपिक उठाया जो हमें ऑब्वियसली पता है उनके बारे में. तुम ऑडिशन में भी सेम चीज़ बोल कर आए हो. चलो फर्स्ट एपिसोड है, कुछ नया लाओ यार, वही चीज़ के बारे में बात करो.
Our next influencer is Mridul.
सर आप लाइटिंग कुछ ऐसे कर सकते हो कि लाइक सनी डे लगे कि मतलब लाइक दोपहर को काइंड ऑफ
सनी डे उतना सोर्स नहीं है.
तो अगर नहीं हो पाए तो फिर ऐसे इवनिंग डेट टाइप. मेरे को लगता था यार डायरेक्टर का काम काफ़ी वैसे सिंपल होता है बट वहाँ पे जाके पता लगा ओ भाई साहब ये तो भाई बहुत टफ काम है. कमाल की चीज़ है ये ऊपर वाला. अच्छा बुरा दोनों करवा सकता है. मैं ऊपर वाले की बात कर रहा हूँ. इनोवेटिव से लेके डीमोटिवेटिंग सेल्फ डाउट सब भर सकता है तुम्हारे अंदर. इट्स जस्ट यू, हाउ यू फीड इट. विश्वास नहीं होता. याद है वो दिन कॉलेज की प्रिया को प्रपोज करने गया था. मतलब इरादा तो पूरा था बट वो अंदर से कौन सी आवाज आई थी. तुझे क्या लग रहा है हाँ बोलेगी तुझे. भाई अपनी एक बार पहले शक्ल तो देख ले, देख जरा वो किस गाड़ियों में उठ बैठ रही है। अब बोलेगा शायद से अरे कुछ अंदर से आवाज, चले ठीक है मेरे भाई, बैक स्टेज पे उस दिन बैठा हुआ था ना, याद है उस दिन जो तू 10 बार रट्टा पढ़ के गया था कि भाई स्टेज पे जाके वो चीज बोलनी है, उस दिन क्यों हालत टाइट हो गई थी? तब क्या तेरी अंदर की आवाज बोल रही थी? अबे फट्टू, 100 लोगों के सामने बोलने जा रहा है, 10 लोगों के सामने कभी बोला है? स्टेज से शुरू करेंगे। और यही आवाज जब तू सोशल मीडिया के इनसाइट्स देखता है, 5 फॉलोअर 5 दिन में, यही बोलती है ना, यार छोड़ दे तेरे बस की नहीं है। भाई मैं अपनी तेरे को कहानी बताऊं, यही अगर तू आवाज सुनता रह जाएगा ना भाई, लूजर का टैग लेके रह जाएगा। मैंने अपने ऊपर भरोसा करा और तुझे यही चीज बोल रहा हूँ, ये आवाज को भाई दबा, ये सेल्फ डाउट को हटा और भाई शेर की तरह ना दहाड़। अब ये तेरे हाथ में है, सॉरी दिमाग।
सेल्फ डाउट को हटा, आई लव दैट लाइन। What I appreciate and I like about you is you stick to your narrative. And I always feel as a designer, it's good to do that because you will have your trademark. About your aesthetic, thoda better ho sakta hai. I thought that was a bit lacking.
Okay. You picked a very sensitive topic and बड़े मजेदार तरीके से दिखाया। बात थोड़ा कम किया करो। Sometimes when you listen to a lot of बातचीत ना, जो फीलिंग हम फील करने वाले थे वो इरिटेशन में बदल जाती है।
I love this video, by the way. I think you could have spoken a little less because you were showing enough. This is your zone, like you own this zone. जिस तरह से आप बात करते हो अपने followers से, उनको लगता है कि एक बड़ा भाई उनको समझा रहा है, तो उस हिसाब से तो ये मुझे काफ़ी effective लगा। बट मैं चाहती हूँ कि अगली बार आप अपनी जोन से थोड़ा हटें। जो मृदुल सीखने आया है उसको अप्लाई जब करके दिखाएगा, I'm dying to see that.
Thank you, mom.
Thank you.
When it comes to fashion, I thought Mridul will be my biggest competition, but clearly not.
Okay, so now one of our favorite contestants, our hijab girl, our lovely hijab girl, Huma.
मैं MBA करके अब्रॉड जाऊंगी, ब्लॉगिंग कंटिन्यू करूंगी यार, और अपने ब्रांड को बहुत बड़ा बनाऊंगी।
हाथ से निकल गई ये लड़की, शादी की उम्र हो गई है इसकी। इतना भी मत उड़ हुमा, गिर जाएगी।
Why can't women fight for her dreams? We decide our future, we decide our destiny. We have the courage to fight for our dreams and we will make it happen.
So Huma, so look wise I think बहुत अच्छा था, but content wise मुझे लगा देखा हुआ है, सुना हुआ है। I didn't find it 2020 at all. You know, ये हमेशा हम करते हैं ऐसा, हम इंडियन आउटफिट में बताते हैं कंजर्वेटिव होकर, एंड जब एक स्पिरिट करना है तो सडनली वो लड़की मॉडर्न कपड़ों में आ गई या वो कुछ अलग कपड़ों में आ गई। क्यों? क्या वो कंजर्वेटिव सलवार कमीज के अंदर भी मॉडर्न नहीं हो सकती? क्या उसका विचार मॉडर्न नहीं हो सकता? राइट। इसका मतलब आप जो कहने की कोशिश कर रहे हो मगर आप खुद ही वो गलती कर रहे हो।
मेरे को एक बात बिल्कुल समझ में नहीं आई, ये जो है ना आपका हैशटैग चेंज द कॉन्वर्सेशन, बाबू ये तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं किया हमने इस वीडियो में। हमने तो बिल्कुल वही बातें की हैं जो पता नहीं मेरे जनरेशन से भी पहले से माएँ बोलती आ रही हैं या घर वाले बोलते आ रहे हैं कि अच्छे घर में शादी कर लो, काम करने की क्या ज़रूरत है, यू नो। तो यू आर नॉट रियली चेंजिंग द कॉन्वर्सेशन, यू आर रिपीटिंग घिसा पिटा कॉन्वर्सेशन।
मैं ये नहीं बोल रही लोगों को कि लड़कियों के करियर चॉइसेस को इम्पोर्टेंस दो, मैं वो लड़कियों को खुद बोल रही हूँ कि खुद के ड्रीम्स को बड़ा मानो एंड place their dreams, their goal at an important place in their life. So I'm asking the girl to choose their career.
हुमा, आपको जब कोई विजुअली देखता है ना तो नज़र नहीं हटती, मतलब आप काफ़ी स्ट्राइकिंग लगते हो। However, it takes one more fashion blogger who wears a hijab to distract me from you because your concept is so weak. I think the message is pretty clear, like let's go beyond what got you selected. Let's go into what will help you stay.
हुमा का जो पिंक हिजाब था मुझे वो क्यूट लगा, लेकिन उसका ट्रांजिशन इनटू सच अ लाउड आउटफिट वाज जस्ट नॉट नेसेसरी.
One of my favorite contestants is coming next. Nilakshi, come on in.
I'm so nervous. इतना ज़्यादा रेजोनेट करती हूँ मैं इस चीज़ से, काँप रही हूँ, but I really hope you like it.
Damn, I do look good today.
Your opinions are absolutely trash to me. इस वीडियो से मैं बहुत ज़्यादा व्यक्त करना चाहती थी. I know I need to break that shell. I need to come out of it. There's more to me than just एक मोटी लड़की, and I hope कि जो लोग देख रहे हैं, I mean disco ball बन के I'm here and you know feeling great. So I think if I can do it, आप लोग भी कर सकते हो.
नीलाक्षी, एक्चुअली जो मैं पॉइंट कहने वाला था आपने अब कह दिया. मैं यही कहना चाह रहा था कि अपने आप को इस चीज़ से भी ज़्यादा देखें. आप बहुत कुछ कर सकती हैं, आप बहुत टैलेंटेड हैं, फ्री स्पिरिटेड हैं, और आप बहुत आपका एक अच्छा सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर है, यू नो, जो अपने आप पे हंस सकता है वह दूसरों को भी हंसा सकता है. आई वॉन्ट मोर आउट ऑफ यू.
मुझे लगता है कि यू आर अ लॉट स्मार्टर देन यू गिव योर सेल्फ क्रेडिट फॉर. बिकॉज आपका कंटेंट देख के ना बहुत इजीली समझ आता है कि आप सोशल मीडिया गेम्स समझते हो. विजुअली अदरवाइज आप समझते हो. सो एक्सप्लोर दैट. एंड आई सॉ यू नो व्हेन यू वर शूटिंग, मैंने देखा कि ट्रैश बैग्स थे उधर, बिकॉज यू वर सेइंग योर ओपिनियंस आर ट्रैश टू मी. आई थिंक आपको अपने कैमरा पर्सन को यू शुड हैव आस्क्ड हिम to zoom out and show that trash, because while we saw the mannequin being kicked, we didn't actually see the trash. We just read that, you know, because you had such strong visual imagery. You should have made that extra effort to see and check one last time before it's uploaded.
I will. Thank you so much.
She's definitely a really, really strong contender and person. As much as I'm nervous as a contender bit, I'm really happy to have met her and to see what we can learn from each other.
Can we please have Edwin?
Hello. Hello. Are you all excited to show your video?
I am.
Okay, let's watch.
Hey, are you Naga? You don't even look like a real Naga.
Cut. Very nice, huh? Very nice, Edwin. But Edwin, I don't think so तेरा look यहाँ पे fit होगा. ओए सुन, इंडिया से है क्या?
I will not be defined by your lies or by the space between my eyes. Don't tell me what's wrong or right over my own body and my mind. I don't want to wait for the world to accept me, because maybe there would be no end to this wait. I just want to focus on the love and no longer the hate. To remember that I am fearfully and wonderfully made, for my Creator makes no mistakes.
Have you personally ever been criticized?
I have. Growing up, coming from different cultural backgrounds, my mom is Anglo-Indian and my dad is Naga. So, you know, growing up in Nagaland, not many people felt that I was Naga enough to be a part of their culture. And I thought maybe, okay, you know what, I'll follow my passion, leave this place, go to another place and, you know, be a part of something big. But once I got there, the same thing happened. So I never felt like I belonged anywhere. I've gone through so much racism in life. Every casting that I go to, and every casting, I might be 10 times better than the guy next to me. But I'll never get selected. Why? Because I don't look Indian enough.
Today, versatility and getting a full different look has become fashion.
It is,
has
yeah.
become social media.
Yeah, yeah.
And I also felt that in your video, close-ups इतने ज़्यादा थे. I think mirror था कुछ opposite कि आप कपड़े तो भूल ही गए. And you know, fashion you forgot. I will not say I'm disappointed. All I will say is that जो route आप पकड़ के जा रहे हैं आगे, मैं ये कहूँगा कि नहीं आप ऐसा मत करिए. Because you're good looking, you're different looking, and today that is a huge USP. And your close-ups are fabulous.
The fact is that I just feel that ek to I don't know what you are talking about. Okay, firstly, message to aaya nahi. What is this love? If it's love for fashion, it didn't come through. That's all I have to say.
Jahan tak evoking an emotion goes, it didn't. But there was a look, there was fashion, there was the feel of self-love. But that was it.
Somebody who needs to try harder with their fashion sense is Edwin, because off the rack is definitely not working. Just a cute face is definitely not enough also, darling.
Girl from Chennai, Pavitra.
All right, Pavitra, come on. Woo!
Hi. Hi. How are you?
Good.
How's it going?
Going good. What I'm trying to do in my video is talk about body dysmorphia. The thing is, with body dysmorphia, you're actually fit.
Correct, but you keep thinking you are
you
big,
have
big,
this distorted image that you are actually
So
having
let's use
fat.
that.
Yeah.
Let's talk about that. And you're using that to tell people that, guys, this is a trap. Thin,
Yes.
fat, ye wo. Nobody has escaped this.
I didn't understand कि आपको इसमें मैसेज देना क्या था. Because उसमें clarity नहीं है, there was no feeling evoked.
Can I be honest with you? Yeah. I think you wanted to show a lot, but you had only 45 seconds. You had a big opportunity to talk about body dysmorphic disorder and body image in general. Somewhere that message was lost in the execution of it. For example, now if we're showing a magazine and if we're showing that it's triggering you, we don't get to see what you're seeing in the magazine. I mean, if you have less time, prioritize and say what only needs to be said, and always draw in from your experiences.
I understand what it's like with her video. A lot of people think that just because you're pretty and stuff, you have no insecurities. So concept-wise, I really felt her. But I feel like it was very flat and there was so much that could be done.
The next one is the wonderful Mark. Let's see. Come on, Mark.
Hello, hi.
Hello.
Are you excited?
Super excited to share, and I hope you guys feel what I feel for this cause.
Let's do it. Let's see.
Beep beep, who wants a little taxi driver? Trying to break bread, trying to be a survivor. Bars on bars, not trying to make a jingle. Just around the corner, he felt a little tingle and found someone to mingle. Then there was another one, real close and humble. But we found my brother dead, no footstones to stumble. The fourth little soul is me, like a butterfly. I whisper in your ear, hang in there, boo, you don't have to die.
प्यार से. This is very, very beautiful.
मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं, 8 गिन के दोस्त हैं मेरे क्लोज फ्रेंड सर्कल के, जो अब कहीं ऊपर से हमें देख रहे हैं. I'm getting a little emotional right now because there are some really close friends of mine which I wish were here with us. So I've got a little poetry written down, if I could narrate that. Please. ये कोई मजाक नहीं है. This is for my friends जो अब मेरे साथ नहीं है. It's a new time, फिर भी तेरी बात वही है. ज़रा प्यार से देख, क्या वो इंसान नहीं है? अरे ज़रा गौर फरमा, तेरा ध्यान नहीं है. चिल्ला चिल्ला के ये मैंने बात कही है. HIV is treatable, ये कोई श्राप नहीं है.
Very, very nice.
I know it is not entertainment, but this is important to me that it gets out there, and it's very close to me. For my brothers and my sisters out there to protect themselves, to love themselves a little more. PrEP is such a beautiful drug created by science for us, where if your father is infected, he can protect his wife and the child as well that you all want to have from HIV as a virus.
Is there a website people can go to?
Well, it's a Google search away. Type PrEP and see what are the other options that you can get. I'm fighting towards getting PrEP legalized in India at jails, because jail rape is one, as you see in the video, is one cause of HIV not getting enough attention. But PrEP is something that, if available freely, could protect them and their families.
Excellent job on the thought. पर जब मैं ये वीडियो देखती हूँ, मुझे जो आप PrEP के बारे में जितनी बातें अभी आपने हमसे की, मुझे उसके बारे में मैसेजिंग समझ में नहीं आई. HIV होता कैसे है वो दिखा मुझे इसमें. The solution to that was not clear to me.
Well, I'll try my level best the next time.
Wow. And we could see that you felt very strongly about it. Thankfully, you are not HIV positive yourself, but that empathy was very palpable.
What I love about it is that it's very dramatic, which is you. There's a lot of amalgamation of colors, styles. Like even right now you're wearing a print, you're wearing, you're wearing yellow shorts, there's chains, all of it.
Yeah.
But yet I see your mind through it. For me, it was a fantastic video. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Thank you so much.
Very well
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I think the strongest competitor for me right now is Mark. What he does is phenomenal.
Who's up next? Shrishti, everybody.
I am a cactus. I may not be everyone's cup of tea. Tough from the outside, soft from the inside. Come sun, come rain, come rough winds. I survive them all and stand tall. I am a fighter. I just have one job, that is to keep blooming. So keep moving no matter what life throws at you. You go, girl.
My question to you is, मैं इससे क्या influence लूँ? वो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया.
Right.
Like, I love the way you're dressed in the video as well, because it adds to the drama. I love the colors in your video. I love the throw of hope, even in the dimmest and darkest portions of the video.
Right.
But what I don't understand is that simple message.
True.
Shrishti.
Hanji.
Why you are doing like this?
Because you asked me to change the topic.
But did I ask you to do this?
So you told me कुछ हटके करने,
But ये हटके है. This is every sanitary pad video, every girl boss video, every मतलब pink video. इसमें आपको कहना क्या था ये तो मुझे पता ही नहीं चला. It was like Shrishti's personal AV, personal show reel, but without an explanation to what are these struggles.
हमारे शो का नाम है Fashion Superstar. In a lot of the videos that I'm seeing today, one thing that I'm missing is fashion. Sure. Yeah. So, hope to see all of that next time.
Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you. It was a stark contrast. Like अगर आप graph देखोगे from episode 1 to episode 2, I went spiraling down.
She was channeling a cactus, but I did not really like the fashion sense because she could have done so much more. She just decided to put like a very ill-fitting baggy dress, which with a belt would have looked really nice on her.
And that brings us to our last and final influencer.
Rolling. Action.
Finally, मेरा topic जो मैंने उठाया, it was about molestation. मैंने इससे पहले कभी नहीं शेयर करा किसी से. इनफैक्ट मैंने अपनी फैमिली में शायद अपनी मम्मा से शेयर करा है. मेरे शायद फादर, ब्रदर, इन सबको भी नहीं पता. मैंने सोचा if you are choosing for a field like this, you have to be open about your life. उस emotion को provoke करने के लिए I had to just go through it again अपने mind में. उसने एक हाथ मेरे कंधे पर रखा और दूसरे हाथ से पैर को टटोलते हुए स्कर्ट की तरफ बढ़ता रहा. शायद 14 साल की थी, छोटी थी, डरी हुई थी, लाचार थी. पूरी स्कूल लाइफ ये डर मेरा पीछा करता रहा. It followed me in classrooms, cinema halls, metro, parking lots. सड़क पे अकेले चलने में डर लगता था. कोई छू ले तो sounds familiar. तुम्हारे साथ भी हुआ है ना ये? कॉन्फिडेंस टूट जाता है ना. But why? सोशल मीडिया पे आने के बाद मुझे ये पता चला कि मेरी जैसी कितनी और लड़कियां हैं जिनके साथ ये होता है. ये देख के मुझे दुख तो हुआ मगर हौसला भी मिला. To talk about it. It gave me the confidence to regain my spirit. Ladies, it's time to rise. We will no longer show silence to violence. Fight it, face it, and fade it. Teach your boys well, teach your boys young. Let men know they can't harm us. Fight your fears and hashtag speak up.
Till you didn't pull that and suddenly go into this change, I don't know about you guys, but I was watching a very intense personal experience. कुछ तो थी उसमें बात जिसमें सच्चाई थी, बहुत गहरी सच्चाई थी. फिर suddenly we went into this, which is you now, fine, but I lost the message. I lost the feeling.
मैम मैं चाहती थी कि मैंने ये बता दिया कि मेरे साथ ये एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है. अब मैं उनको डायरेक्टली अपना मैसेज कन्वे करना चाहती थी कि हम कहाँ गलत हैं.
आप नाराज़ मत होइएगा, but I may not know any better, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि because this is not a cinematic story, this is your story. तो आप जिन कपड़ों में थी उन्हीं में उठ के सामने कैमरा पे आके ये सारी बातें बोल देती तो you would have stayed with me. You didn't have to change makeup and costume because you're not playing a character. That is you. अपनी सच्चाई जब बता रहे हो, there the most fashionable thing to do is keep it simple.
To all the videos that I've seen today, जो आपका first half है video का, is the most aesthetic. मतलब it's beyond aesthetic मेरे लिए, क्योंकि वो इतना effective है. Second half में पहली बात तो आपका outfit didn't work. The pink, the off shoulder, the one-sided, it troubled me. If you wanted to change an outfit, though I don't think there's a need to, but suppose if you wanted to, in that same story, you would have given me another outfit, which didn't distract me.
सबका पर्सपेक्टिव सोचने का अलग होता है. मेरा ये दिखाना था कि पहले मैं एक डरी हुई बच्ची थी, अब मैं एकदम कॉन्फिडेंट, लोगों को फेस करना, आए कोई कुछ करने की कोशिश करे तो मुंह तोड़ देना, अब मेरी वो पर्सनैलिटी है, मुझे वो दिखाना था। शायद उतने कम टाइम में ना, जो मेरे 30 मिनट बचे थे, मैं उतने अच्छे से ट्रांजिशन नहीं शो कर पाई उन दो पर्सनैलिटीज़ को मिक्स। बट मैं खुश थी कि उन्हें मेरा मैसेज समझ में आया, मैं उनके सामने कुछ न्यू लेके गई, अनलाइक द अदर्स।
Definitely very strong topic, so I think I'll give her credit for that, because to come out with something like that must take some sort of courage, so that was interesting.
Thank you guys. हम सब की तरफ से that you engaged us, shared your stories with us, but it is a competition. आप में से एक influencer को Myntra Fashion Superstar से आज जाना होगा, and it's going to be a tough call for us. While we deliberate on this, आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप लोग थोड़ी देर के लिए हमें अकेले छोड़ दीजिए. We'll call you right back after we've decided.
That was intense.
You know, but I have to say that I was very disappointed by most of them.
Yeah.
Because I just felt that they were all, it almost seemed to me like they've got this one point and बस उसी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं.
मुझे बड़ी उम्मीद लगी थी तनीता से, सृष्टि से.
बिल्कुल.
I had like really high hopes.
They were my favorites.
Video that didn't work for me at all is Pavitra.
हुमा कैसी लगी आपको?
Huma, more of the same, more of the same.
मैं काफ़ी नर्वस हूँ, बट मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं आज घर जाऊँगी, क्योंकि मुझसे भी बुरे वीडियोस हैं.
So are we saying that we know our bottom three?
I think we do, right?
Let's call these guys in and let's break it to them.
It was time for the final judgment. मैं शायद से जीत सकता हूँ because judges को मेरा वीडियो भी बहुत ही अच्छा लगा.
तो है अल्टीमेटली ये एक कंपटीशन. हर हफ्ते हर नए चैलेंज के साथ आप में से एक इन्फ्लुएंसर वापस घर जाएगा. As much as we love you, हमारा काम है judge who was amazing and who didn't make the list today. इस चैलेंज में जो सबसे बढ़िया, कमाल, सही उतरे हैं. You want to know who that is? Oh, so it's unanimous. Everyone, give a huge round of applause to Param. Wow. Congratulations, Param.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
And we continue to follow you.
Yes. Thank you. Param, आपको मिलता है एक amazing hamper from Mercedes-Benz.
Thank you.
Many congratulations.
I'm really honored. Thank you. Thank you.
Please have a seat.
I think मेरे लिए बहुत ही एक सिल्वर लाइनिंग, एक सोने पे सुहागा वाली बात है. So I think मैं थोड़ा सा Cloud 9 की तरफ जा रहा हूँ, but मैं वहाँ ज़्यादा जाके बैठने नहीं चाहता हूँ क्योंकि I don't want to get overconfident.
Oh, and then there were 9.
Mark, Huma,
Mridul,
Nilakshi,
Tanita,
Asmita.
We all three continue to follow you. Please have a seat.
Thank you so much.
All right.
All of us, guys.
Woohoo.
After the brutal comments, मुझे ये surety थी that I have reserved a spot for myself in the bottom 2 or 3.
आप लोगों ने मेहनत बहुत की है. There is no doubting that. But your performance in the very first challenge was not up to the mark.
Obviously, I wasn't expecting to be in the bottom at the very first episode itself. My heart was beating really, really fast.
Edwin, Pavitra, Shrishti, all three of y'all are here, almost like in the danger zone. Out of the three of you, the influencer who we will continue to follow is Edwin. So Edwin, what you need to do is make your conversation more positive because you have that with you, right?
the fact that the judges still decided to follow me. I think they see something in me and I'm really grateful for that, and I don't want to prove them wrong. I really want to work hard from now onwards.
Pavitra and Shrishti, I know कि आप जानती हैं आपको क्यों लगा कि ये task was not up to the mark for you. किसी के पास time नहीं था, किसी ने last minute change किया. But darling, social media and being an influencer is about last minute changes. It is about taking sudden calls. It's thinking on your feet.
Along with letting you all down, मैंने खुद को भी let down किया, because especially when you believe in yourself and then you know you have the potential but you just can't do it, it's really upsetting.
I think let's not wait any longer and just know this, Baba. No victory defines us, no loss defines us. What defines us is what we choose to do with our lives. The influencer that we will continue to follow is Shrishti.
Pavitra, you're a wonderful soul. We saw that the first time we met you. You have a heart of gold. You're a genuine, dignified human being. And nothing is going to take that away from you. We are in a competition. I thank you for taking any feedback that any of us have given you. And I thank you for understanding that this is the medium and this is how things happen. Just because today you're leaving us does not mean that your social media journey ends. You're still wonderful, you still have a voice, you still have a following. And we can't wait to see where you go. And thank you for sharing a piece of you with us. And we forever wish you all the best.
I'm feeling great. Just because I'm eliminated does not mean I've lost the game. This platform has provided me with a lot of beautiful things. I learned a lot of new things. I've met a lot of new people. I have met the wonderful judges. This is where my new journey starts, 2.0. So I'm so thrilled about it.
जानते हैं आपको किस सब्जेक्ट पे मेंटर किया जाएगा?
It's called collab.
If you didn't want to collaborate with an influencer, who would that person be? Like hell no. Param?
Mridul.
Mridul.
I have an idea. So imagine, ठीक है अपन दोनों ऐसे चल रहे हैं.
मुझे लेदर के साथ पेयर अप करना है, कुछ एथनिक.
अब सब ऐसा अब अलग उस पे चलोगे क्या? There can there be like one theme?
See, if you're trying to be like this, I can't help you.
Nice. Okay. क्या स्माइल है इस एक्ट्रेस की?
Ready?
इस डायरेक्टर का तो दिल आ गया.
This is a fourth idea. Now we cannot change.
I am not working like this.
Don't.
सबके कॉन्सेप्ट फाइनल हो गए और हम लोग कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे हैं.
Somehow you complement each other a lot.
आप पिछली बार बॉटम में थे and like a phoenix you have risen.
For me it worked 100%, guys.
मैं instantly रसोड़े में कौन था सुन के I was sold.
पहले फ्रेम से आखिरी फ्रेम तक he overshadows you.
When we are saying fashion influencer, so I expect a little more fashion.
Fashion meets emotion, मुझे वो connect दिखाई नहीं दिया.
Not impressed. Sorry.
Superstar.